A grandson coming, and he wants cut out letters for hang up on a wall in his room. So when I start out, I go into Word document and I keep blowing up the letter, and I put the letter up so it fills the whole page, and I get the right style letter that I want out. Copy it, I take it, I print the screen, copy the screen, and then I open up. I love this Corel Photo House. I can go in there, and in it I can paste in a new document, and I get this. And then what it is I could have used all the ink. Well, what it is, I go in there and then I can really blow it up to the right size I wanted. And then I went ahead and I can erase out a lot of the black on the inside from the letters because I want to save ink. And then what I do is I cut a lot of the paper away. And then I like the Super 77 spray. I just take it, spray the back over the letters, set it down on the board, tack it down a little bit, get my another letter, put that real close there. Baby's name is going to be Chase, C-H-A-S-E. He told me that it was, and I said, she'll call me back if it isn't, because I don't want to make these things twice. Actually, the A is the biggest letter I have. And the board's 7.5 inches. Now, what I'm using is Popular. I like Popular rather than Pine. Nice clear grain. Now I'm gluing these down, but I do it this way. Rather than using the carbon paper like I usually do, I can follow it nice. Plus, too, after I cut it out, I'm going to sand the faces, those letters anyway, and round them up. And I'll show you how that goes. Next is I let this set for around 10 minutes, and then cut them out on the bandsaw. Alright, first I'll just roughly cut them off. Alright, let me tell you, the only comment I got right now, I'll cut out all the others separate, and I got a 1-inch sanding belt machine. I'll show you how I sand it and so on. Let me tell you, if you ever run across machines to show you, this Craftsman 12-inch bandsaw with a 1 horsepower motor, my brother-in-law bought it in 1965. Keep in mind, I was 65, a lot of years ago. The only thing I ever did to it was, a couple of years ago, I had to replace the rubber band around it. You can still buy it. That goes around that the blade rides on. But other than that, this saw's been running. I used it a lot. Now, the only thing I'm cutting out, the only thing that'll be different other than what I just did is the A. I'll cut that out with a jigsaw. All right, that's it on cutting out. I ain't going to show you all of them. All right, I have the letters cut out. I sanded them. And then I sanded the paper off the face. And now what it is, and I probably put a 1/4 inch round on that, rounded off 1/4 of an inch. Let me show you what that looks like. You can just do that with a router and a bit. Alright, here's the cut out letters. Show a little bit I rounded the edges 1/4 inch with that 1/4 inch bit. Got to do some sanding to them. I'll let him do the sanding. He can handle that. And then he'll paint them. I like to sort of go like colors of the rainbow when I do it. But hey, that's all up to him. He wanted the letters cut out. And that's as much as I'm going to do. Not that bad to make them up. Make them for the grandkids or your own kids. I did it for my kids 40 years ago. Richard and David. Oh, and my grandkids. Maxwell and George, I made out letters. All right, that's it.